What if I told you starting a business could change your life forever? Not just for the wealthy, not just for the risk takers, but for you. Let's talk about why everyone, yes, everyone, should consider becoming an entrepreneur. First up, financial freedom. When you run a business, you decide your earning power. No more waiting for someone to hand you a raise, you control your ceiling. Second, time freedom. Imagine working from anywhere, setting your own schedule, and never missing out on life's best moments. You own your time. Third, solving problems. Business isn't just about making money, it's about making life better for someone else. You get to be the answer to a real need. Fourth, legacy. A business can outlive you. It's something you can pass down, something that lasts. Fifth, purpose and creativity. Building a business wakes up your passion, sharpens your creativity, and grows your leadership. Sixth, economic empowerment. Entrepreneurs create jobs and transform communities. You become a change maker right where you are. Seventh, personal growth. Business will stretch you. You'll face challenges, but you'll become wiser, bolder, and better every single day. Eighth, kingdom impact. For people of faith, business is a tool. You can fund your purpose, serve others, and glorify God. Ninth, multiple streams. One income is risky. A business helps you build resilience with new streams of revenue. And finally, you have something to offer. Your skills, ideas, passions, they matter. Someone out there needs your gift. So start small. Start now. Start with purpose. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. You don't have to be perfect. Just start. If you found this helpful, please like this video. Subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Share this message with someone who needs to hear it. Let's grow this community of kingdom entrepreneurs together.